Alright guys, now before we even dive into today's video, a lot of police action going on, but we gotta talk about the 143 scale Veneno Roadster giveaway. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram at effspot. I'll link it right up here. You can't miss it. You should be following me anyways. 3 things you gotta do. You gotta follow me on Instagram, you gotta subscribe to me on YouTube, and you gotta comment anything you want on the post with the Veneno Roadster. And for those who are wondering, yes, it is a cell phone photo. I just did some editing, what have you. But those 3 criteria, I will announce the winner in 3 days time. I will ship it anywhere in the world, no charge. All you have to do is the 3 criteria I mentioned. You guys got 3 days left. Make sure you enter, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Let's get this video rolling. We're starting at Malibu Country Mart. That show happens every first Sunday of the month. So let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to witness monumental history in the original Leap-mobile. Wait for it, we're almost there. 200,000 miles, baby, that's correct. Hitting the speed limit as well. Now we're rolling on a route to Malibu Trancas Car Meet. It's already 9 a.m. I'm an entire hour late. Yeah, I already missed a Koenigsegg HH. Got a 300 SL just parked here on the side. Just got here at oh my goodness. Yes, sirree. Oh, that's boys. Better be careful. There's a lot of cops out, boy. Got the SL65. It's got the wheel turned. This car's got so much carbon fiber. It's a beast. V12 bi-turbo, but it's the only car left that's worth filming in this entire lot. Let me polarize that for you, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't really do shit, but yep, this entire lot is pretty much empty. It was full about an hour and a half earlier, so kind of messed up there as well. Messed up with the Koenigsegg HH. I messed up with the P1 getting scraped. God bless the owner for taking it really well, but we got an SO65 V12 bi-turbo. Nice spec. Oh, we got a dog as well. It does look pretty nice. What is this car called? We saw this at, oh, the FXE. Currently it's based off the RA chassis. Interior is identical to that of the RA, obviously. I don't think they've made that many changes, but I'll give it to them. It looks all right. We saw this at the LA Auto Show. There you go, FXE. Too bad they're not driving it, man. What's going on? Got a trailer of this thing everywhere. Got Chasen's brand new E63S. He's gone Arab on us with the QH license plate. You know, most Arabs actually have 3 character license plates. First, middle, and last name. Oh, let that be a lesson to you guys. You show up late to a car show, you're gonna miss the whole damn thing. Got a nice combo here. 350 GT Lamborghini Superleggera Dino. Nice little combo here. Oh, are they leaping my Prius? Wow. Well, believe it or not, my Prius is actually nearly out of gas, so I kind of screwed myself. Missed the show, missed all the action. Hey, at least did 200,000 miles in the sucker, so there's that. Currently here at the Malibu Country Mart, the widest place on earth. Got a yellow Scud here. This is well nice. I much rather see these than the Speciale Apertas 458. No, the 488s are not feeling those. This is nice. Oh, combo shot. The Sports Classic Lambo Mira. The usual gathering here at the Malibu Country Mart after the show. Of course, you got the 2 golden retriever dogs right over there. Are they parking the cars? They were at the show earlier, so. Oh, the Dino is here as well, right next to the GTI Aero. Will look at that. That's a great color, but there's something about the wheels that I'm not really feeling, guys. Whoa! Bombing in the mirror. Alright guys, it's nighttime. I know you're wondering what happened in the afternoon. I took a mono nap. I missed the Super Bowl game. I was just too tired, guys. We're gonna be going to In-N-Out to a local car show 20-30 minutes from here, so decided to take the good old SVR out. There you guys have it. Let's roll. Look at me.
They just pulled over effspot. So we're just following effspot, and he just got pulled over by the police. I think it was a CHP officer that pulled him over.
Should we park in there?
We stopped at a red light next to effspot, and he got pulled over by the CHP officer. I guess they caught him for the loud exhaust pipes. But the funny thing is that we didn't even see him.
It's actually highway patrol, so he just came off the highway and just pulled him over.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know what's going on here, guys. Got a couple cruisers behind us, a couple cars behind us as well. Police are not happy right now. I'm gonna see what happens. Let this play out, guys. I don't know, I think they're having a little powwow. I mean, they're gonna just get the ticket, but trying to interrogate us. I mean, we don't have time for this. We gotta go home. But anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down, give you guys an update in a little bit. There you guys have it. Should have taken the fucking Prius. I haven't driven this car in an entire week. It's dirty, it's filthy. Had to get gas. You guys missed the gas vlog, obviously, because of this nonsense. So he's not very happy.
They got the homie effspot.
There he goes. Luck as a sink. Whoa! Jesus, he's hauling. Alright, you guys won't even believe this. Apparently, I'm the only sucker that gets a goddamn ticket. But, hey, you know what? We're gonna fight it. It's all good. Alright, we're currently pulled over at the Domino's. The truck, 18-wheeler, just smashed into that signpost right there. Everyone's having a bad night. Jesus Christ. Oh! Don't do it, bro! Don't do it! No! Don't do it! Oh! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't go to the fuckboy me! Fate, as it seems, is not without a sense of irony. I'm the only one that got a ticket. My buddies got lucky. The cop had to peace out and attend to something more important. So there you guys have it. That is the end of today's vlog. Fuck my life, right? The one time I take the car out, man. Well, he threatened us with a street racing, impound, jail, all that nonsense. But all right, guys, check out F Your Ticket. Instagram is gonna be on the upper right-hand corner. This is the guy, Randy Sarmiento. He's gonna hook it up. He's gonna take care of this nonsense. Well, that was a short-lived run tonight. We're at the gas station adjacent to the lot where we just got pulled over. Two guys didn't get tickets. I got one, unfortunately. Got Alex Choi in the Lambo there. Yeah, fun. But yeah. Back in Beverly Hills, it's nearly 1 o'clock. Kind of a disastrous night, honestly, but it is what it is, guys. Oh, what the? What? Are you kidding me right now? Well, Rodeo is, oh, Jesus Christ almighty. Like, we're just trying to get your car. We're trying to go home. We're all having a pretty bad day right now. Oh, shit. The thumbnail. Get the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail. Even though I got pulled over first. Where do you park? You parked right there?
Yeah.
Oh, right in, next to Chanel? Holy smokes, what the actual fruitcake.
Did you get the cop flying down?
Yeah. Hopefully got a warning. Let's go have a little chit chat with him. Oh, man. Oh, man. He just read the cops. Dude, Beverly Hills PD. We're just trying to get a friend's car, dog. Jeez, give it a break. Anyways, well, as you can tell, Rodeo Drive is, it's pretty much, it's kind of game over, guys. There's literally nobody here. I'm pretty sure they shut it down, so, yikes. BHPD, baby, locking it down. It's completely dead. Check it out. All right, we're rolling. All Alright, he got off with a warning, no plate, pink headlights, but thank you, officer, for being so generous and kind. Anyways, this is gonna be a lesson for me to just drive my Prius around Beverly Hills or any car meets. It's just not really worth my time. But yeah, the guy also got me for front window tints, so luckily he didn't get me for these side tints. Nice. Dude, check out Alex's 335 IS's license plate. No signal. Dude, we got Alex's 335 IS making those pops. Making those pops. Dude's putting the SVR to shame.